I'm sharing this personal story for you to use this as a calling, especially for young people who don't have a memory, who were not there, but who still have people who can tell them stories. Please go and get that story time. Ask them what happened, because it changes you for the better. Trust me, it gives you a moral purpose. You get to understand at least the minimum of what it is to fear, to lose hope. This is not just some story that people want to tell every year. No, this is real. You just don't take it lightly. Like you put some respect on survivors, on that story, but especially you put respect on these 30 years.